Hello everyone, this is Fancy Nancy, and this is the special scratch ticket for Halloween between me, BlueTexasTornado, and Matt Scratch Kuji, who's doing this on the Saturday, which is the 24th today. We are not able to do it on the 31st. This is all the candy we got. So I'm going to put it on the tripod. Bear with me because there is a lot of tickets. It's PA versus New York. Okay, money bag is from New York. We have Make My Wish from Pennsylvania. We have Halloween Jack from New York. We got Ikaboo from Pennsylvania. Also, I have these two $5 tickets, which we all have one. New York do not have those $5 tickets, so I'm going to do the $1 ticket, and I won't be able to sit because I don't think I could. But I'll try. Bear with us. Please stay with us as we play these tickets. Oops, should put it down. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can see it. This one you have the same thing. Reveal 3 money bag symbol in that row, diagonal or horizontal, or get the stack of money symbol, win $10 automatic on the bonus. Okay, money bag, money bag. We need 3 money bags. And this is New York tickets versus Pennsylvania. And so far, New York has nothing. Oh, forgot the bonus, didn't I? Sure did. Match. And I forgot my bell. $1 bonus, pot of gold. So far, $1 for New York. Let me get the money back. The bonus. And I'm using, boom, DJ's coin because I hit 200 on Thursday. I was shocked. Money back, come on, baby. No, no money back there. And the diamond, no. No bueno there. Money bag, money bag, money bag, money bag. Match, match. And a pot of gold. And there's another $1. $2 for New York. Money bag. Money bag. Only in the corner is the only shot we have right here. And that's not. And that's a 4-leaf clover, so that's a loser. I got spiderweb falling all over the place here. And these are 32 all the way to 38. They're getting stuck to a spiderweb. So bear with me. I didn't count on that. Should have put something underneath it. Match, match. I forgot the bell. Give me 1 second. Not bad. That's 3. Oh, bonus and amount, $2 and a pot of gold. So that's $4. Nothing there. Bonus, 40 clover. It's a child here. Let's see if I can get a money bag here. Nope. Bonus. Nope. A bell. Money bag, money bag. Come on, money bag. Nope. Come on, bonus. Nope, it's a crown. I need a stack of money. A money stack. Oh, no money bag yet. Is this a winner? Let's see. Nope. Let's see the bonus. And that's a pot of gold. So far, New York has $4. Let's see what Pennsylvania has for us. It's from ticket number 002 to 011. The gambler's number. And Penny Cruz number, of course. All right, this one here, reveal a broom. Symbol win prize shown under that symbol. Reveal a hat. Symbol, you get $5 automatic. Come on, broom. Oh, got the wrong one. Spider web, a house, a mummy, a candy corn, and a skull. Nothing there. Let's put the losers together. Okay, come on, broom. That's a pot. No, it's not a pot. Yeah, I don't know. Carrying. What is this? Spider. They're so little. A web that I know. A skull. A mummy. And a candy corn. So far, Pennsylvania got nothing. Candy corn. A hat. $5 automatic. Yep, $5 automatic. A winner, winner. Let's see what's left. What's left? Come on. Mummy. Maybe we got another one. A skull. Skull doesn't mean nothing. So far, PA is winning. Oops. And I took 2 tickets because of those spider webs. I'm having fun with this. Candy corn. A house. A mummy. Oh, no, pumpkin. Skull. And a spider web. That's what I'm having right now, a spider web moment. Mummy, a web, a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin, a bat, and a cat. Meow. Nothing there. A web. Pot, looks like. A ghost. Yep. Skull. And a candy corn. My house. Spider web. A spider. Pot. And a mummy. A mummy with a dummy. Right now I'm feeling like a dummy. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm sorry if it's not seeable. I was trying to make the best of it. But I'm sure you can see it. Candy corns, web, and my house. And a ghost. And a bat. So, I got one more ticket. And I got this web all over. Oh, I got 2 more tickets. 2 more tickets. I got another shot. Come on. Let's get another one. Let's get that broom. Get that wish broom. It's one ugly bush, huh? Web, and ghost, and a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin head. The bat, and that'll mean a swing and a miss. And I got a broom. Match, match. And another broom. Okay, what's this here? Oh, spider and a ghost. Okay, I got 2 brooms. Treat my house with $1 and another $1. So Pennsylvania dollar ticket is beating New York. $7 so far. Now we're gonna do the Halloween Jack. Hoping you can see that. I'll read the rules. Reveal a pot. Symbol, win prize shown. Reveal 3 times symbol, win 3 times, 5 times symbol, 5 times. So reveal, you have to reveal a pot. Doesn't matter what's the number. No number matches here, right? Maybe a pot to go, yep. Number doesn't matter. Need a pot. Oops. I don't know exactly where these numbers are, but this is New York tickets, you can see. Okay, no win there. Ticket number 207. You can see that. Let me put it up like this. You can see it, all of it. 21, 11. That's the Gambler and Penny Cruz. 15 tie. Pot to go. Match. Give me a pot. Pot to go. Then I'm having fun here. I'm sweating bullets. Okay, let's see what I got here. $2. New York got $2 on the $2 tickets. Should look up before I scratch. I'm trying to make it quick because I know it's going to be a long video. And I want y'all to have fun watching. Nothing there. New Blue Texas Tornado 12. Todd. It's Amanda. Jedi. Gambler and Penny Cruz. 21. Nothing there. 8 for Uso. LV. Come on, I need a pot to go or a symbol. Come on. Okay, nothing there. Just the $2 for New York. And the $2 ticket from Pennsylvania is called Ikaboo. And the rules are when any of your numbers match either winning number, win that prize. Under that matching number, reveal boo, win all. Ooh, win all. I like to win all. Mind you, these are my tickets. It's nobody's ticket. These are mine. So it don't matter what state that wins. I'm just having fun. Let me put this together. It'll be a 12 backwards. Oh, I got a match, right? Duh. I'm over here looking for a symbol here. Okay. 9 and 12 I'm looking for. My number and Blue Texas Tornado. And none of them are there. 7 and 3. 7 and 3. And this is Blue Texas Tornado is also playing, and Matt Scratch Kuji. So watch their video as well. 24 to 4, that's what I'm looking for. Nope, one off and nope. Okay, New York, $2 so far. Come on, PA, you wanna come on? 24 and 22. 22, match, scratch. I'm just having fun. Okay, 22. $5 and Pennsylvania has took the lead. 18, 23. Okay, 18, 23 is what we're looking for. 18, 23. Can we go back to back? Come on. And no back to back there. So this is almost ending because these are the only 2 tickets that are left. And that's boom. I won some money out of this one on the other ticket because there was only 1 ticket we were supposed to play. So I missed this, and the comments that they left underneath, I got it. Not really, I didn't get it. And it also has a back scratch. So I think I'm gonna do that first before I forget. Reveal a lightning bolt symbol when price shown under that symbol. So I have to get a lightning bolt and this umbrella going to go into a cloud. Rainbow. Taste the rainbow. No, broom. Oh, no, rake. The moon. There's nothing there. Okay, so we got to match numbers here. Let me see if y'all can see the whole thing. Okay. Winning numbers are 28, 22, 20, 5, and a 17. Okay, let's see. Oh, I just took the $10. Took the $10 maybe. Here the numbers: 14, 19, 11, 10, 27, nope, one off, 4, one off, 25, nope, 8, nope, 26, nope, 1, nope, 30, nope. Okay, this one says try again. This one says, I don't know. It looks like a key, but I don't know what that says. And try again. Can't tell what that says. Anyway, got one more ticket, and that is the Graveyard Green. And this one here is reveal a ghost, win that prize. Reveal a tombstone, win win $20. Reveal a money grab, which is this, win all 12 prizes. I like to see that one. Okay, wish me luck. Okay, the 6, 7, 11, 22. Remember, we're looking for symbols, which is the ghost, the tombstone, and the money grab. Come on. Okay, last one. Let's see how much is this worth. No, this ain't it. Okay, well, that was fun. Boom. DJ. Okay, these are the winning tickets. Okay, it's all stuck to the web. I'm sorry. All right, Boo got $5. The Halloween Jack got $2. So, Pennsylvania wins. And we have $2 in the Make My Wish. And $5, that makes 7. Plus 5, that's 12 for Pennsylvania. New York, oh my goodness. Okay, New York has 2, 4, 5, and 6. So Pennsylvania beats New York's ticket on a landslide. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this 18-minute video. Not so bad. I thought it was going to be longer. Tried to do it quick as I can. And I think I did a good job on it. So I'm going to stop it at 20 minutes. So y'all could just finish watching this video as I go around the table. So I want you to have a happy Halloween next Saturday. I'm too busy to do this next weekend, so we chose the 24th to do this video. So I hope you like it, and please hit the like button, the dislike button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, hit the bell for notification, and leave me a comment down below, because I do read them. Come to the house and get some candy. So y'all have a good weekend. Adios. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.